Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 9A. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Display and Brightness. Here you've got all settings for your display. In the top of the list you can change brightness level or set it automatic. Then we can change color temperature, screen timeout between 15 seconds or never, enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it or enable it all day. Then we can turn on ebook mode, dark mode, change text and display size, manage full screen display for apps, enable or disable cutout, and manage our status bar. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.